Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I do some repair around the house, basically on my deck. I got bored of all the computer stuff. We have nice 80-degree weather, so I thought I'm gonna fix the deck. I just need to tighten up some screws, and then I found a couple boards what needs replacement. Now, I have even less knowledge on that do-it-yourself stuff than on my computer stuff. So do not follow my instruction. Always ask a professional. So after I had the screws all in, I found that board, and it is really not good. So we have to do this tomorrow. I have to get first the board. And as always, my timing is totally off. It went from 80 degrees and sunshine to 25 degrees. So I have to take a short break and wait till the next nice day arrives. Three days later and 78 degrees. So I went out, bought some boards and some other material, and I tried to fix that. Wood got really expensive, so I bought something, it's called Trax, is some composite decking material. The downside is it is only 1 inch thick and my boards are 2 inch thick. The other thing I didn't thought about is how I fit it in the car. In my car fits only a 8-foot board and these are 12-foot. So I gotta cut that out, that bad part, and just piecemeal it together. And don't do that at home, ask a professional. I don't know how that will work out. Let's see, let's get started here. I have no clue what I'm doing, guys. Oh, thank you so much for watching my video, even if it's not computer related. If you're not a subscriber yet, please take a second and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that like button, it helps me out a lot. so I don't have to worry about falling through the deck anymore for the foreseeable future. I think that will last for a while. All I have to do is paint it. The whole deck needs another paint anyhow. Supposed to be a 10-year paint. I have to paint this every 2 years. As always, on Fridays I will be back with a more technical video, not that do-it-yourself stuff. Yes, please hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and that notification bell, and like this video. I really appreciate it very, very much. Thank you, and I hope to see you on Friday.